Welcome back to Maths class students. In the last video we studied the rule of BODMAS, that is, first we will solve the brackets, then divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction. Now this brackets also have the preferences. So which bracket you will solve first? There are few brackets. See, first one is line bracket, or we can say bar bracket, in which the bar is given upon the numbers. So we will solve that first. Then comes parenthesis, this type of brackets then we will be solving. Third preference we will be giving to curly brackets, which is given like this, or we can say braces. The fourth one is square or box bracket, like this. So this is the sequence we are going to follow for solving the brackets. So let us start solving the sums. So here in exercise 3.3 question number 6 is given. Now see, you don't have to be worried by seeing the length of the question. Just keep the rules in your mind. Start solving the brackets turnwise and you will be able to solve this sum easily. So first one, we know that the first thing which we are going to solve the bar bracket. So this first we will solve. So let us write all other things as it is and we will just focus in this bracket. So first we will write all these things. Now here, this is the bracket, bar bracket. Okay, so in that first what we will solve, we will multiply. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 minus 6, what you are going to get? 0. So here you will get 0 and all other things as it is. So close the brackets. See, be careful while writing all these digits. If you are writing the question incorrect, then you will not get the correct answer. Okay. Now our next step will be this one, parenthesis, this circle brackets. This one and this one we are going to solve first. In that also, first what we will solve divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction, like that we will go. So here what it is given, 3 into 4, that is 12, and 12 divided by 6 you will get 2. Similarly here, 6 2s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 12 minus 15, that way we are going to solve. Let us write it down. Now 12 divided by 6 we will get 2, and here 12 minus 15 we will get minus 3. Okay. So here 6 into 2 we will get 12. All other things as it is. Here 12 minus 15 we will get minus 3, and minus minus it will become plus. All other things we have written as it is. Now we will solve this curly bracket. Curly bracket, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 we will get 9, and 2 multiply 9 we will get 18. So 2 9s are 18. Now 3 minus 18 you will get minus 15. So 12 plus 13 into minus 15. So if you will multiply 13 by 15, so 3 minus 18 we will get minus 15. 13 minus 13 multiplied by minus 15 you will get minus 195. So 195 minus 12 you will get 183, and the sign of the bigger digit. So this is your final answer, that is minus 183. Now in revision exercise question number 1 to 6 we have already done. Now question number 7 is of the same kind, that is of solving brackets. I will explain you the first one, and others you can try it by yourself. I will send you the PDF file of the complete solution, but before you have to try it by yourself. Now here is the question. So first of all, here there is no bar bracket or line bracket. So we will move to the next, that is this circle bracket. So first we will solve this bracket. Here 3 plus 14 you will get 17. So here 3 plus 14 is 17. 2 17s are 34. Now 34 plus 7 you will get 41. So this you will write as it is. and other things also will be going on as it is. Okay, now 5 into 41, you will get 205. So this both are minus, minus minus it will become plus, but the sign will be negative. So here this 205 plus 2 will give you 207, and 207 minus 2 you will get 205, but the answer will be negative because 207 is greater. So this way you are going to solve this all four sums, and also you have to try this. I will be sending you the solution. Now let us solve question number 9. Your question is, Ayushi went to play with 60 marbles. In 8 games, she gained minus 5 marbles each, and in 4 games, she gained 4 marbles each. How many marbles did Ayushi have at the end? Okay, so first of all, she is having 60 marbles with her. So first we wrote 60. Now what happened? In 8 games, she gained minus 5 marbles. So 8 into minus 5. This much she gained. Then what happened? In 4 games, she gained 4 marbles each. So again 4 into 4. So at the last, how much she will have? So let us solve this. 60 plus, now 8 into 5 will give you 40, but the sign will be negative. So minus 40 plus 4 fours are 16. Now 60 minus 40 plus 16. 60 minus 40 will get 20. 20 plus 16. So at the end she will have 36 marbles with her. Okay, so 36 marbles she will be having at the end. First of all, she was having 60, and then she got minus 5 in 8 games and 4 in 4 games. So multiply by that. So this way if we will solve, we will get 36 marbles. Now next question is, I was 4 kilometer east from my home. Now I am 3 kilometer west of my home. How many kilometers did I travel? Now suppose this is your home, this is your east, we can say west, and this is your east. Okay, so this is your west, this is your east. Now what is your question? 4 kilometer east. So first of all, here this side 4 kilometer you were, and now where were you? Now 3 kilometer west. So now this side you are 3 kilometer. Okay, so this what you are going to do, you are going to add. So 4 kilometer plus 3 kilometer, your answer will be 7 kilometer. Your question is, how many kilometer did I travel? Okay, so your answer is 7 kilometer. So here our chapter is over. This all sums you are going to try by yourself. Okay, I will be sending you the PDF of the solution. Till that time you try to solve all these sums and also solve the examples which are given. Okay, this all examples which are given, that also you have to solve. So here I am ending the video. Then we will be starting with the new chapter. Bye bye. Have a nice day.